Hello, I'm Chris Miltenberger, President and CEO of Sunnen Products.
And I'm Dave Rogers, Director of Engineering here at Sunnen.
Sunnen is a global manufacturer who has been in business for almost 100 years. We specialize in bore creation and finishing. We serve many critical industries such as aviation, defense, medical, hydraulics, and a host of others.
Sunnen is home to a wide variety of disciplines to produce our product every day. Our team consists of an engineering staff of mechanical, electrical engineers, as well as manufacturing engineers who work hard to not only develop new product, but also improve our processes to keep us running efficiently every day. Our manufacturing staff is made up of an experienced group of machine operators, skilled machinists and tool makers, supported by skilled maintenance trades and IT personnel to keep our facilities running. The Sunnen team works together every day to design, develop, and deploy some of the most advanced solutions our customers have ever seen. Honing is a critical final step in the production of parts that go into some of the most important equipment we rely on every day.
Let's take a quick tour of Sunnen's headquarters and primary manufacturing plant here in St. Louis. And we'll show you more about what we do and how we still embody our founder, Joe Sunnen's driving force that better products make for a better world.
So what is honing and why is it important? Honing is an abrasive machining process that uses specialized machines and tools to remove fine surface layers of material on a hole, also called a bore, during the manufacturing cycle. This process is required to achieve a specific bore size, roundness, and surface finish on the inside parts of all shapes, sizes, and materials. Honing doesn't make a bore, it makes a bore perfect. Sunnen's core business of honing is critical because many of the parts our customers are producing must meet strict safety and performance requirements, and the honing process makes that possible.
My father was a machine operator in the 70s for Sunnen Products. I grew up attending a lot of the Sunnen events. When I became old enough to put in an application, I did so. I was lucky enough to get a job here at Sunnen. I've been here for 22 years. My son is currently working here. I've had a long-standing history with family members working through Sunnen Products. I've really enjoyed it throughout the years. It's presented me with the opportunity of growth and my ability to work up into the company.
Sunnen is a leading creator of honing machines and accessories to keep up with the changing demands of our customers' part production. Our machines range in size from simple, small machines that could fit in the corner of someone's home garage to massive equipment that clocks in at over 53,000 pounds. That's the average weight of 13 cars. The honing process can be applied to plastics and ceramics, but most often is used on metallic workpieces, such as engine blocks, airplane landing gear, and hydraulic cylinders used in major construction equipment, and even on medical devices and musical instruments.
I love the fact that I get to use my imagination, and I also like the fact that you're building the world. You help out with aerospace. I get to use my brain all day. That's the fun part.
What I really like about being a machinist is that I get to make things and that it challenges my brain. So it's not just touch a button on a machine. I'm working and I'm thinking and I make something. And at the end of the day, I make it, someone buys it, and then they use it. And that really is incredible for me.
The equipment and tools Sunnen manufactures helps improve the world and keep us moving forward, not just by producing goods, but by advancing the needs of the world.
I'm sure whatever I'm doing is to help someone in this world. I'm sure of that, so that's what I like about my job.
I really like it here. I love making things. I love working with metal. I've just had a rewarding career. Not everybody wants to go to college. Not everybody wants to work in an office. And there are so many other opportunities in manufacturing.
Our software development teams write the programs that go into our custom-developed control systems, making Sunnen machines simple to run for even the newest machine operators. Each machine requires special tools and abrasives, which we also engineer and manufacture here at Sunnen, and our employees are at the heart of making this all happen.
This is our Intergrex Robotic Machining Center, and what we do with this piece of equipment, we take an aluminum blank such as this, and we have several different sizes and shapes of aluminum blanks, and we load them into this machine with the robot. And after several operations, we come up with a finished part such as this that we need to supply our customers and meet customer demand.
Our design engineers, technicians, and application experts are hard at work solving our customers' ongoing performance challenges with the various parts they're making. As a result, we didn't just stop at honing. Over the years, we've expanded our capabilities to include deep hole drilling machines and the cutting tools that support them. None of this is possible without the talented and diverse group of people that call Sunnen home.
The parts of my job that I really do enjoy is traveling, working with our customers, our foreign distributors, and making sure that Sunnen Products is the best at what we do.
If you enjoy working with your hands and building things, I would definitely look into a career in manufacturing.
We're also continually looking for ways to train and grow our team here at Sunnen, such as with our Machinist Development Program that allows current employees to receive training similar to what they would get at a technical college. And when our customers come to us with specialized applications or ultra-specific finish needs, we use these opportunities to not only serve them, but to innovate and elevate our entire industry.
Here at Sunnen, we involve a lot of machining and machinists in what we do, and it is a great career for people coming out of school. Our machinist program initially is designed to take people who don't necessarily have a background in machining, and we give them the foundational knowledge and allows them to progress from maybe different positions in the company into our entry-level machinist.
I had interest in the machinist training program because I wanted to further my skills in manufacturing. It gave me the opportunity to continue on with the next level of machinist as well if I choose to do that.
Our roots are in the U.S., but our reach extends around the world. Manufacturers in every corner of the globe associate the Sunnen name with exceptional quality. Our regional facilities are centers of production, service, and innovation as we connect with new customers and solve new challenges. We're here to bring out the best in our customers and our employees, because whatever they're making, in whatever volumes, we know that quality is forged in the finishing touches. Sunnen. Partnership. Precision. Performance.